VLOGMAS. Let's go!
Should be white, Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all them else. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me, as tight as can be. It's been that way forever. Guess we're shapes that go together. Everyone can use a little vacation, even if life on the North Pole is cool. But don't worry, my dear hubby, I'm making my way home to you. So Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all them else. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. I'm coming home, yes it's true. One more Christmas to be with you. Yes, I'll be right there by your side, making you ready for your sleigh bell ride. Santa, hold on. No, I will never leave you on Christmas Day. So hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Hold on, Santa. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my
One down. I have 2 more green bins I can fill. And today was trash day, so I get to hold the leaves for a week. That's how much green stuff is here.
All year long I've been keeping track of when I've been naughty and nice. And from what I can tell, I've done more good deeds than I've told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year's Santa turns, there's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me.
It's funny, you probably can't tell in the video, but the security lights keep coming on, and I think that's because the camera is set differently. Let me give you an idea of what I'm actually seeing right now. There, that's a little bit more true to life. So forgive me if I don't quite finish everything that it looks like I should be doing, because it's dark outside and I can't see anything.
Spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me,
That's all I'm doing to that. Well, as they say, it's not much, but it's honest work. Tune in tomorrow for more of me doing stuff around the house. Merry Vlogmas.
Santa Claus is coming home to me. Yeah, this year Santa Claus is coming home to me.